All right, folks, so this is what when you receive your Qwiktarp, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to come in a box. These are your bungees, and this is your Qwiktarp. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put the Qwiktarp on today. Take these two off. These two short ones here that are holding your bungees, they're going to go in the front. So I'll just take that, throw that up there. So that's there for me when I get ready. Throw that one there. And this is what your Qwiktarp will look like. So I'm going to take it, wrap it, set it up here. Most of the time you'll have somebody else helping you, so this is how it's going to be done with just one person. Remember, this is right out of the box. I'm going to take this first strap here. Hook it underneath that. Take another bungee here. Hook it there. Most of the time it's easier if you get your front ones done first. Look at there. And then you just hook the rest of your bungees up however you want them. How quick and easy your Qwiktarp goes on. Remember, if it doesn't say Qwiktarp, it's not a Qwiktarp. All our Qwiktarps are made right here in the USA at our Palm Springs facility. Remember, Qwiktarp, if you own a truck, you got to get one.